they stay like that? Did they stay like that? No, they did not stay like that. They cried, they asked for God's mercy, they asked for God's compassion, they asked for God's help, they asked for God's strength. You know, ito, nakakagulat. All the robbers were caught. They were caught by the police. And they asked the Tanchi family, would you like to file charges? The Tanchi family said, no, we're not going to file any charges on them. The Lord will make everything. Lord na ang bahala. If you were the father, what would you do? Would you file charges? Would you feel bitter against God? So yun na nangyari. And the mom told Joy, the interviewer, that she heard God talking to her in a still small voice. Sabi niya, Lord, would you still trust me about this? Do you think I can still do something good about this, out of this? And she said, Lord, I will trust you. Whatever happens, I will trust you. You know what they do? They didn't hide what happened. They make that a testimony. Sinabi nila sa mga tao. Yung nangyari. And when it happened, lots of female, maraming lumapit. Having the same experience, it became an inspiration to those people who experienced the same thing. It became an inspiration to those people. You see, God can do, what does it do? People. It only proves that in the midst of suffering, God can do good things out of faith. Amen? Now, they still trusted God. Until now, they are serving the Lord diligently. They trusted God. So, remember, I want you to remember this. Suffering is